Emily Green. I'm the interim program director here at the Murphy-Deming College of Health Science PA program. I'm so glad you're interested in our program. We began in 2016 with our first charter class graduating in 2018. We're fully accredited by ARC PA, and we have a 90% graduation rate with a 99% first-time PANCE pass rate. This is a full-time cohort-based 27-month program. As a PA, I think this is such a wonderful career opportunity. We get to work with all ages, abilities, in so many various patient settings. We can work as the principal provider within healthcare or as part of a team. PAs diagnose and treat illnesses. We prescribe medications, develop and manage treatment plans, conduct history and physical exams, order and interpret tests, x-rays, CAT scans, MRIs, ultrasounds. We can assist in surgery. We counsel and prevent on healthcare. At Murphy-Deming's program, we have a 15-month didactic experience that lasts for over 4 semesters for 73 credits. This is a lot of classroom learning, but also small group-based learning and also some clinical experiences out in the community, as well as laboratory experience. Our clinical rotations are 12 months. This is 49 credits spread over 3 semesters. We have 8 6-week rotations, which add up to about 2,000 hours of supervised practice. We have 600 plus contracts nationwide for our clinical rotations. Our core rotations include behavioral and mental health care, emergency medicine, family medicine, internal medicine, pediatrics, surgery, and women's health. We have an additional 6-week clinical elective rotation, and that can be done in various settings: plastic surgery, cardiology, gastroenterology, interventional radiology, intensive care unit. We're very flexible on helping make a clinical elective match what you are most interested in. So what can you expect if you came to the Mary Baldwin University PA program? Well, we have a really accessible, friendly faculty culture here. We have an open door policy. We like our students to come by, feel connected to us here at the Murphy-Deming Mary Baldwin community. You'll have a faculty advisor, and you'll actually also have a peer mentor when you start the program, someone from the class above you. We have small classes. This is a small cohort, and we tend to work in various small groups and lab groups, so you really get to know your class. This is collaborative, it's active. We like working with you as faculty in small group learning and in tutoring session. We have engaged alumni network with many of our alumni taking students on as preceptors in the area and across the nation. We also have alumni that come back and help do guest lectures, teach in labs, things like that. So we really engage our alumni and still keep them part of the Mary Baldwin Murphy-Deming community. We have a state-of-the-art facility, and we have a lot of community involvement, especially with the hospital next door, Augusta Health. We tend to have a strong relationship with the providers and the services there. Living in the Shenandoah Valley is great. The Murphy-Deming campus is here in Fishersville, and on one side of us, we can see the Shenandoah National Park and the Appalachian Mountains, and on the other side, we have the George Washington National Forest. Within 20 minutes drive to get to either place. Even locally, we have a lot of walking trails, green spaces, trails around campus, lots of farms and parks nearby. We have a meditation space within our building and quiet study areas. The area in general is so wonderful for outdoor activities. We also have wonderful restaurants nearby and theater and musical venues, including the Shakespeare Center in Stanton. We have easy access to Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Richmond, and DC, which makes for good day trips for students when they have time to get out of town. Our admissions requirements. So all applications must be sent through CASPA. We have an October 1 deadline to have all of your materials into CASPA, as we have a January start to our program. You must have obtained your bachelor's degree by September 1st, and our prerequisites require that you have a C or better in all of your courses. That equals out to a GPA of 3.0 or better. We don't have a minimum GRE score. We do ask for a personal statement, 3 personal references, a CASPER assessment, which is a situational judgment test, And then observation hours are recommended. We don't have a minimum for patient contact hours, but we strongly encourage you to understand what the healthcare system is like and understand how PAs work within that system. We do host virtual interviews, and those are issued by invitation only after your CASPA application has been submitted. So how do you make your application stand out for us? Well, we have a very holistic application process. We want to know you as a whole person. We like to see knowledge and passion for healthcare and understanding of the healthcare system and how PAs fit into that system. So shadow, do an internship, or show us your work experience in healthcare. Looking at healthcare teams and the way PAs work on those teams with interprofessional and multidisciplinary roles. Academics truly are definitely foundational for getting into PA school. We like to see that if you have a lower grade on a course previously, that you retake that course and improve your grade. If there are lower GRE scores, retaking to show that you have the ability to obtain a higher GRE score, or prerequisite courses with a higher GPA. As a physician assistant, you're going to engage in lifelong learning, and we want to see that trend starting even in your undergraduate career and the years beyond that. We also want to know you. What is your story? What matters to you? Have you worked not in a healthcare setting? That's wonderful. We want to know about your work life, volunteer life, athletics, other experiences with caregiving, with travel or volunteering. That's important to us to know you. And a thoughtful, well-written personal statement goes a long way. We also are going to talk to you virtually, face-to-face, in a one-on-one interview. So interviewing skills are important as well. We hope you'll join us at Mary Baldwin Murphy Deming PA program to learn more information. We have open houses, we have virtual drop-in sessions for information. We'd love to show you our building and meet you. Please reach out via my email or through our MDCHS admissions for any further questions. And thanks again for your interest.